Hello, welcome everyone in this online internship talk on the international platform. How you can earn easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. So I will talk in this video. So in the description of this video, you will get all the links to the attendance stamp, and you can fill the attendance and you can get exclusive and certificate from the international, and you can get also resume score calculator upon attending the complete talk. Colleges have reopened and some colleges have not reopened till now. So in current scenario, you can apply to the student ambassador internships and various types of internships on the international platform. Classes are taking place online, and due to which you can get 2 to 3 hours a week to the internships, and you can apply for the internships. So how you can utilize your time in the best way? You can apply for the part-time work from home internships. Start your journey by applying to the internships that are easier to get, like part-time internships and work from home internships. Getting selected for this internship would open doors for you to the first-hand experience and help you for ready for big opportunities. You can apply for campus ambassador internships. The best part of doing a campus ambassador internships is that you get to work from the college itself and your own convenience, and also get a chance to earn a huge stipend from the international, so that you can showcase your talent, and you can promote international on your college, and you can be the face of international. And international is providing volunteering activities also. You can also apply to various volunteering internships that not only provides you with an opportunity to improve your time management, but you can improve your communication skills, but also gives you satisfaction of having helped others and improve mental well-being. And we will discuss the benefits of part-time internships. How can you apply to the part-time internships, and it helps to build your career. So you have to just work 2 to 3 hours a day. You just need to give 2 to 3 hours a day, which allows you to do the internship without disturbing your online class schedule. You can add this value addition to the resume. Internships play a major role in adding value and experience to the resume that helps you in getting a step ahead of other students. You can earn pocket money. Who doesn't want to be financial stable in life? Everyone does, right? Doing internships ultimately helps you to be financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to depend on your parents for monthly expenditures. Improve job prospects. Doing an internship not only helps you to earn pocket money, but also helps you to gain valuable experience. This further improves your jobs prospects and gives you an edge at the time of job placements. So there are the five most preferred categories of internships available on the Internshala: marketing, research, operations, graphic design, content writing, and you have various other categories, so that you can apply it for according to your categories and skills. So how to get part-time internships? Internshala is the world's #1 internship platform, so that all companies HR recruit Internshala providers, and students can apply to part-time internships for the according to the categories. Internshala is a online training platform. It provides the online training platform also, so you can enhance your skills on the Internshala platform. You can apply for marketing internships, human resources, content writing, and graphic design. So over 5 lakh plus students got a part-time work from home internships through Internshala, and earned up to 1 lakh 20,000. You can also get your internships on Internshala easily on building your resume, and the activities that are provided by the Internshala. Various campaign activities are also provided by the Internshala. The best part of Internshala is free of cost internships are provided for students. You can apply for internship to get an internship. There are all internships on Internshala come with a stipend and earn a certificate. How does Internshala work? You have to first register for free and complete your profile. Create an account as a student and verify it. After verifying your email account, you need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume. Explore internships from various profiles. After completing your profile, you can explore internships on the platform from various profiles, so that you can get easily recognized by the companies and apply and get hired. You will get all the link in description, and you can get various talks from the past experience of students in this meeting now, and you can check the link in the description for attendance. So thanks for watching.